So up arrow use for that. So whatsoever you have used so far, it is going to give you. So up arrow always giving you that. So whatsoever you have already, played with this one. So I just use that double divided by, just give 5. So this is how you get the combination. So if you want to multiplication here also, can you able to do it? So 5 multiply with the 10. Yes, you can give it. So this is how multiple combination that you can use here. So fine. Let's see, that is fine. Can I able to play with the any string data type? Let's see how we can do it. String data type, nothing bigger. So for example, I'm giving here that. So directly if I give something like this, can I able to get it? Error. You can't able to get it. So what you need to do, you have to use that the single quote. So for example, if I give double quote here, understand? So I'm giving double quote. Yes, I can get it. So if I give anything here that Microsoft Python basics or single quote you can give. Yes, you can give it. So for example, if you want to take this one, the something variable. So for example, I'm giving here that name I'm giving here. So this is the variable, we will discuss about it. So I'm giving here that something, the name. So that name is Power BI I'm giving. So this is the name. Can I get? No. So once you create the variable, you have to write that print. So for example, I'm writing here the print of whatsoever variable you have taken here. That variable is name. Go and execute it. No, can't able to get it. Let me try it one more time. Print of your variable. I'm giving like this. Can I able to get it? Yes. Whatsoever you can give that, inside that you can get it. The simple thing. So if you don't give that, what it is going to give you? Whatsoever that is there, variable that is contained here, that it is going to give you, retrieve the answer. So if you use the single quote, what it is going to give you? So that name, whatsoever you have used that one. So that is how the print is going to work out. The print is always going to give you the whatsoever you are giving the input, that is going to print the output only. The simple thing. For example, I am using the something variable. So number, wait for the number. Let me give some other string. I just give the string. So here I'm just giving here that Microsoft Python. Okay, fine. This is how I have given. For example, if I want to get the output, how do I do? So I'm giving here that print. So I just use here that string. So whatsoever you have given here that variable, you just give here. Just close the braces, hit the enter. Are you getting? No. So why you are not getting here that? So your logic is fine, but the problem is here that this is case sensitive. You don't give capital P, give small p. Now go hit the enter, you will get the output like this. This is the simple thing, the very basic thing that you can do it. Let's see the next one. So if I want to, give that the something iterate. So iterate in the means that you want to print the, the same value for the multiple times. For example, any name that you want to print the multiple times. So that is, you just have to give. Let's see that how. So for example, anything that I want, 2 times I want to multiply any text. Can I able to do it or not? So let me give Python here that. Can I able to get it? No. So let me give the same thing. Just to use the up arrow to get your string back. So just to use that string into the. So now you just have the 2 times it is going to print. So for example, if you want 5 times, simple thing. So go here that you just give anything that it is going to print that. So for example, if you want space between them, what you have to do? So go here that I'm giving that 10 multiply with. So any string that I want to take here that. So single quote you just give space I'm giving here inside. So I'm giving here that something Power BI. So just observe it is going to get. So nothing bigger. Very simple thing, very easiest one. Python can understand you. So now let's see some of the variables how we can going to play with that one. The variables that I want to create, that a value, b value, then I want to play with them. So how it works out, just understand. So for example, a value, I'm just giving that something 10, and the b value, I'm giving something here that 20. So if you want to find out that a plus b, so you can get that answer. So if you want to play with the a multiply b, you can find out that. If you want to play with the a divided by b, you can find out that. So if you want to play with the only a divided by 10, can I able to find out? Yes. So if I want to play with the b only, so multiply with the 20 or 100, can I able to get it? Yes. So can I play with this one, the so I'm just putting them into a plus b whole divided by 100. Yes. So this is how the very simple thing, you just do practice that much only. The multiple, the plus minus division, the multiplications and all, nothing bigger. So you can print them also. How to do it, that one, let me see. Otherwise what you do, so instead of directly we are giving, we can give that print as well. That print what I am doing here, that let me give a plus b. So if I give capital A, let's understand here that small b I am giving. Can I able to get it? No. So this is case sensitive. Remember that small a plus b. Go and print it. You will get it. So print will give you what is their input that you can give it. For example, I am taking here that a plus b. So here let me give whole divided by 200 multiply 10 like this. I am giving just to close the brace. Here that open the brace. So hit the enter, you will get it. So this is going to sum up. So whole divided by these two are going to multiply. Then after that, it is going to give you the answer. In the school days, Badmas. So based on that, order, it is going to execute. That already. So this is so simple, nothing bigger. So let's see some of the things. So now we have seen that let's use that some index here as well. So we have seen the Power Query Editor that we have used index. The same thing you can use here as well. So in the Power Query Editor, what we have used, we have created the sum list. So what is the list that they are using there? So we have used the flower braces. And the same thing here also in the Python, you can give that any text. So you can use that index number as well to get exact that character. So how to get it? Observe here. So this is the text that I am going to give that variable. So if you want to, 10th one, you can give like this. Index number is like this only. So if you want to break down something, only the coding that you required. So you have to give starting point and you just use that colon, and ending point you just give. Nothing bigger. Just observe here that what I do. So this is the Python is my variable. I just wanted to, otherwise let me write only the text only. To do Microsoft Python practice. Fine. So what I'm doing, I just wanted to use that, the text. So let me give here that. So Python. I'm just using the index. For example, if I give the any 2 or 3 or 5 like this, what it is going to give you? What is the third character? C. Simple thing. If you want to 10th character, simple thing, you just give here that index number. This is how you get it. So that is when, for example, if you want only the Microsoft, how you can get it? So what you do? Python. So this is the variable name only I am typing, nothing bigger every time. Just use here that where it is starting from. Microsoft is the first. So you just use that colon. So how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 characters only that I want. Just give here the 5. So this is how micro. It is not taking. Let me give here 0. From 0 to 5 you can give. This is how you get it. So index is starting from the 0, you know already in your Power Query Editor. So let's see, for example, if you want, from here to the remaining text, how to get it. So you have to count this number of characters: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Space also counting. So after 16th, 17th one, it is going to start. So what you do, you just give that variable name and you just give that where it is going to start, just give colon only, don't give the ending character. So it is going to take that till the end. This is how it is going to take. So for example, from here, if you want to start it, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th one. So what you do, use that up arrow, you will get back your earlier one. So this is how you get it. So 10, let me give here 10. So this is how simple you can get it. So nothing bigger, the very simple ones. Just observe the length of the characters. So why always we are using the length of the characters? Because of in the interview questions, they are asking you whether it is considering the space as a one character or not. That is the thing. So for example, here that I'm giving the something. So what should I give? So let me give here that something. Again, I'm giving Microsoft Python. So how many characters are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 characters. So if you want to find out them, so just use that. So I didn't use variable. So let me use variable. I'm using var. Now I'm giving the micro and soft. Simple. Let me give variable. So this one. It is throwing error because this is the capital V. So this is how 10 characters that are there, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 characters. So which means that space also it is going to count. That how simple, you just have to do that one. So now let's see, in your Power Query Editor, you have played with the list functions. So here also list functions that are there, can we able to get the list or not? The simple thing. So if you want to get such list, so you can get it Python as well. So but there in the Power Query Editor, for the list we have used that flower braces. But here in your Python, what you need to use, square braces you need to use. Between that you have to provide the numbers only, nothing bigger. Just observe here. So what I do, let me give something number. So here that I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or something like this. Go and execute it. So now what I want, so if I give here that index number I just wanted to use. I just wanted to use that 10 index number. Can I get it? There is no 10 index number. If I use here that any first index number, can I get it? Yes. What is the first one? This is the 0 and this is the first one. So for example, if I use the -1, what it is going to happen? So it is going to retrieve that last one. Minus means it is going to start from the reverse. So simple. So here understand one thing here that, so I'm just using the -5. I get the 5. So from here 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 5. Just now observe here that. So I'm giving 0 here. What it is going to give you? So number of 0. It is going to retrieve the first character. So first one. 0 means first one. For example, same thing if I give -0. So it should be come from the last. So just hit the enter. Are you getting that one? No. So minus value, -0 value, it is not going to count from the reverse, from the last. So last is always taking the 1 only. So for example, if I give here that number, so let me create one more. So let me write here number of, I'm just giving -1. What it is going to give you? 8. So here the two 8s are there, that way you can't able to understand. Let me create one more list. So I have given this one. So create list, that is the variable name. I'm giving the something number here. So all the unique values, there is no any duplicates after here. So for example, I'm giving here that create list. This create list, I just wanted to use that -0. So what I will get? 17 only. So there is no, starting from the 0 from the last list values. So for example, if I give, +0 also, it is going to give that the first character only, not last one. So fine. So let's say for example here that I just wanted to give that -1. What it is going to give you? 93 only. So from the last, you don't need to use that, from the 0, it is not going to consider your index number. From the first only, it is starting, 0. That is the thing that you need to understand, nothing bigger. For example, if I give any -3, so this is first, second, and third, it is going to give you. If you give +3, so it is going to start from the starting. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the third number. This is how you get it. Simple. Let's see the next one. So next one, if I use the combination of the multiple things in the list only. In the list, I wanted to use that multiple combination. So numbers we know. So text also I want to use. And the text between that space also I want to use. And something decimal values also I want to use. Can I get them or not? Let's check here that. So combination list, let me give like this. So I'm giving something numbers like this. Text also I just wanted to give here that. So then apart from this, I just wanted to use that one. So what I do, I just wanted to use the decimals as well. So I just wanted to use that space between the text as well. So Microsoft Python. So I just want to use some digits as well. Then I just want to use some decimals as well. So I have given the multiple combination. Yes, it worked out. So can I able to get it? So for example, if I use the print of your, what is the variable name here, that combo list. So I just here combo list. So if I close the braces, here the open braces, not square. Can I able to get it? Yes. The print means whatsoever that is there, the your input, it is going to give you output print, nothing bigger. So for example, if I use that any list here, so what I do, you have to write here that your variable name. For example, if I give 3, so I will get third one, 0, 1, 2, 3. So for example, if I give 4, so what should I do? So is text also coming in the index or not? That is the question. Yes, it should come. So is the decimal values, it is coming or not? So for example, I'm giving here the last one. So that is the -1. So this is the decimal point which is there. Let me check it. You can get it. For example, this the space is there. Can we able to use that index? Can we able to get it or not? So let's see. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one, you just give -4. Simple thing. The spaces also you can get it. That is how simple, nothing bigger. So very basic one. You just understand today only. So tomorrow we'll install that Python. So let's see some number series. So if you want to get it insert or not, whether it is work out or not, let's see, understand. For example, combo listed dot insert. No, this is not available here. Let me use remove. remove of 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. No. This combo list are not working. So from your side, you just try this one. So this is dot insert only, you just use for the variable. So you can insert. So if you want to remove, you can give that remove only. So for example, remove might be work out. Let's see. So some capital letter, small letter, that is there. If I give capital letter here, so for example, if I want to remove the fifth one means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth one, 72.27. So whether it is remove or not, let's check it. No. Value ఇచ్చినప్పుడు కదా ఓకే ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేద్దాం సో డైరెక్ట్ వాల్యూనే ఇద్దాము నువ్వు చెప్పినట్టు చెక్ చేద్దాం ఇక్కడ ఇది ఉందా పైథాన్ క్యాపిటల్ ఉందా let's see this one. No, just try from end. The moment we try here the data, so it automatically appear the some intelligence here. So insert, remove, everything it is going to appear. Try from your side, otherwise don't worry. Okay, pop up, let me check with the pop up list. No. Let me use okay, it's work out. Wait, let me retry it. So what is the pop number it is going to get? This is second number. So if I give 4, it is going to appear that one. Okay, fine. So let me give one more time that list. This is the list which we have. For example, if I want to pop up fourth one, so you want to pop up means it's just going to appear. Simple thing, just like a print. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one is the Python. Let's check it. It is going to come up. So just like this, the moment you use the this dot, it is going to give. So for example, if I want to remove that same fourth one, I want to remove. So just to give here that 4. Let me give capital R 4. No, still not working. No, that is just try from the end. So this insert is there, remove is there, and pop is there, extend also there. Extend means you can add the more values. For example, let me try that one, whether it is work out or not. Extend of something, these values. No. Let me give capital E. This is case sensitive, remember. From me and also once try it. Let me try at the end. No, it does not work out. Let's see. These things you just try to do. So only pop only it is work out for me. So for you people, insert also try it, remove also try it, and extend also try it. Extend it is going to add the new values. That is simple. Remove means removing that value, particular value, whatever you given in the within the braces. Insert means you are going to insert that new value. So simple. So let's see next one. So can we able to delete that particular one? So by using the index, yes. Let's see what is there that function. Just use that delete. So whatsoever that is the your variable name. Compressed. So for example, if you want to delete the something here, so you just use that index number where it is. So for example, index number I want to delete this first one 383. So what I should give here 1 only. No. No, it's not working. Can I reopen? Let me create the something other one. Let me try again. So create list. If I give that create list, it is going to delete. So just give me a second. I'm just checking it. New list which we are going to do here. I'll try to just give here something. So observe here that I'm going to create that new list. What I'm doing that I just wanted to check it. So what I'm doing, new list. The values are coming. So for example, if I want to delete here that, so just use that del. So new list, it is going to delete. So now you go and check it again, the print that new list. So go and execute it. So it is deleted permanently. So this is the delete, it is going to give that delete that your variable, entire variable. So the moment you created the variable, you can print it, you see that your value. So after you delete, the moment you try to print it again, so you can't able to get it. So that is the thing. So what I do, next one observe here. So these are all the very basic level, don't worry. So minimum value, maximum value, if you want to find out, you can find out. So from the list. So for example, I'm going to create that list. So aggregate list. So this is the aggregate list variable. I just wanted to give that something numbers. So fine. This is the list which we have. For example, if you want the minimum value out of this, you just use that one, minimum braces. What is the variable that is? First check the print only. So print of your aggregate list. Fine. Go and execute it. It will come in print. So if you want a minimum value, simple thing. You just use that the same thing, aggregate value. Aggregate list. So this is the variable. Out of this, what is the minimum value? 3 only. If you want the maximum value, simple thing. So aggregate list. Go and execute it. So you are not getting, because of this is case sensitive, use that small m. Go and execute it, you will get it. Simple. If you want the sum, you can go and use the sum only. So this is how you get minimum value, maximum value, some values that you can get it. Average you might not get here. Let me try here that. Average. No, you can't get it. Let me try full. No, average value is not there. So we will check that one. So this is all the sum of the aggregate one. So if you want to short it, you can do it short it A to Z. Nothing bigger, you just use the dot short only. It is going to give you. So for example, so what is here? So this is the value. Let me print again here that print your aggregate list. So this is the list which you have. So for example, if you want to sort it out, so what you do, you just type your variable, just use that sort. Hit the enter, it is going to give. So print aggregate list. So this is how it is going to sort.